Hi, this probably looks like a lot of the other YouTube videos that you've seen by other people where there's a picture of a chart and they talk about how they can just apply certain overlays and indicators and do all these magic things, Bollinger Bands and so on. So, all these crazy things. Now, sometimes these indicators might work. Let's clear this one off. But really, how do you know? How do you know if any of these really work? Okay, let's try something else. RSI. Have you ever tried RSI? I have. You're supposed to sell when it crosses down this line and buy again when it crosses up through this line. And it might work maybe in about 50 out of 100 times. But who's ever really tested these out over the long run for months and months and months, for years and years and years, with hundreds or even thousands of trades to see if these things actually work? I mean, practically no one. And whenever you see a video from someone who talks about these things working, or you've gone to a seminar or a course and they talk about using these sorts of things, it's just silly. They're probably extremely unlikely to actually give you any real results. A table of trades that have been done, that have been tested out in real time with real account balance. So just garbage. Just don't listen to it. I propose to you that you try a different way of trading, and it's called systems trading. With a system, you can either design a system yourself, or you can find a system that has already been created and tested and traded before. And the system involves a specific set of rules that define exactly when to get into a trade and when to get out of a trade. They also define things like exactly what you're going to trade, what market, what time frame, what sort of instruments, what level of volatility. All of these things are usually specified with a system. And then because it's based on very strict rules, you know exactly when to get in, when to get out. You can avoid all of the emotional ups and downs, just like what you see in a chart. Price was heading down here. I mean, who really knew at the time when it was heading down it was going to head back up again? Um, that's a pretty significant candle there falling. I mean, it'd take a lot of guts at that point to buy when it's just fallen so far. And who's to say it's not going to continue to get worse at that point? Luckily, it ended up turning around for this one. But there's so many unknowns when you're trading without a system. So if we take a look here, we can see the results of a system that has had some specific rules put in place. We can see the actual results of that system, the monthly results here for the last 4 years. Quite a good system, this one. There's actually hundreds, in fact there's really thousands of systems out there, and I can show you where you can access thousands of systems, and you can see reports and charts of how the system has performed. This one has done quite well. We can have a look. That's the website where you can basically get access to the systems. So you can also find summarized reports of the systems. Here's a few ones. One, for example, on stocks. This system's been traded for 1,484 days. You might need to expand the video to see this clearly. If it's a bit small for you, just blow the video up to a larger size. This one's also done 1,973 trades. This is actually a screenshot taken a couple of weeks ago, so it's done more than 2,000 trades now. The average trade length, 4.6 days. The win-loss ratio, 77%. And the annual return, including with commissions, 95%. Looking at this one, hasn't done as many trades or for as long. It's done 365 trades, 229 days. The average trade length goes for about 5.3 days. The win-loss ratio is 50%, but the annual return with commissions, 319%. That one's a futures system. We've got ones for Forex, stocks. There's ones also for options, in fact, as well. So if you want to find out more about these systems and get access to them, there's even an auto trade facility. If you want to have the trades placed automatically into your live brokerage account, it will just follow the signals of the system. Go to awesometradingsystems.com and have a look, see what you think. You can compare systems. I'm sure you'll find at least one out of the thousands that you'll like, and I think you'll have a lot better results following something rather than reinventing the wheel yourself. So thanks for watching this video, and hopefully I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.